Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to see the next topic of grammar, that is add question tag. This is again one of the compulsory and one of the most important topics of your syllabus. This video will help you to understand the rules about how to add question tag. Question tags are short questions at the end of the statements. Question tags are short questions which are put at the end of the sentence. Now, what is the purpose of question tag? So there are two purposes. First one, question tags are put, they are mainly used in speech when we want to confirm that something is true or not. We put question mark, we put question tag at the end of the sentence to confirm that something is true or not. Whatever is spoken, whatever has been written, whether it is true or not, to confirm that thing we add question tag. Second purpose is to encourage a reply from the person we are speaking to get the answer from the person whom we are speaking with. To get the answer from him, we use question tag. Now we have to see few rules to convert or to use question tags in the sentence. Rule number 1 says, when auxiliary verbs are given in your statement, if auxiliary verb is given, then what rule we have to use? In the previous video, I have explained you all what are auxiliary verbs. So right now, let us not go into deep about what are auxiliary verbs. Let us see the rule number 1. It says that when auxiliary verbs are given, that time we have to use, if the statement is positive, we have to use negative question tag. If the statement is positive, if the sentence is positive, positive sentence means that sentence in which there is no, not, no, never, hardly ever, rarely. These words are not there. That sentence is called as positive sentence. So when the statement is positive, question tag should be negative. You can see example number 1. Jack is from Spain. Is क्या है यहाँ पे? It is auxiliary verb. उसको सर्कल किया, आप देख सकते हो. Jack is from Spain. Is यहाँ पे auxiliary verb है, मतलब सेंटेंस में auxiliary verb दिया है. जब सेंटेंस में auxiliary verb दिया होता है तो हमें auxiliary verb को ही यूज करके क्वेश्चन टैग फॉर्म करना होता है. लेकिन एक रूल याद रखना है, इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज पॉजिटिव, क्वेश्चन टैग शुड बी नेगेटिव. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन टैग क्या बना? isn't he. isn't मतलब is और not. isn't और he यूज किया हमने. Jack is a boy, right? Male. So we have to use pronoun. Isn't he? Question mark. Second, Mary can speak English. Mary can speak English. Can को सर्कल किया है तो पता चलता है कि वो ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब है. एंड इट इज अ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट. यहाँ पे नॉट, नेवर ऐसा कोई नेगेटिव वर्ड सेंटेंस में यूज किया नहीं है. मैरी इज अ गर्ल. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन टैग क्या होगा? मैरी कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, कॉमा, कांट शी. सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट राइट द फुल सेंटेंस, पुट कॉमा, एंड देन यू हैव टू ऐड योर क्वेश्चन टैग. ऑलराइट. प्रोनाउन यू हैव टू यूज. अगर नाउन सब्जेक्ट में नाउन दिया है, सो इन क्वेश्चन टैग यू हैव टू यूज प्रोनाउन. A negative statement is followed by a positive question tag. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है सेंटेंस नेगेटिव होते हैं. अगर सेंटेंस नेगेटिव है तो क्वेश्चन टैग पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. अपोजिट रूल फॉलो करना है. You can see one example. First one, they aren't funny, मतलब they are not funny. are क्या है यहाँ पे? It is your auxiliary verb. उसको रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स में सर्कल किया है. रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स है वहां पर. They aren't funny, कॉमा, तो हमारा क्वेश्चन टैग होगा are they? क्वेश्चन मार्क. aren't है इसलिए are आएगा, not वापस नहीं आएगा. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, he shouldn't say things like that. Shouldn't is given, right? Negative statement. So our question tag will be he shouldn't say things like that, comma, should he, and question mark. Number 2, when the verb in the main sentence is in simple present tense, we form the question tag with do or does. Now we have to focus on those sentences in which auxiliary verbs are not given. Auxiliary verbs sentence में नहीं दिए होते, सिर्फ main verb दिया होता है. So when the main verb in the sentence is given, you have to first of all find out what is the tense of the sentence. The first rule, the second rule over here says, when the verb in the sentence is simple present tense, अगर sentence के अंदर verb simple present tense बता रहा है, then we have to use either do or does. Do या तो does use करना है, did नहीं करना है. Do या तो does, because ये present tense में काम आते हैं, simple present tense में. Do और does कहाँ पे use करना है मैंने आपको previous video में explain कर दिया था. अभी हम लोग उसके बारे में नहीं पढ़ेंगे इसमें. Let us see example number 1. You play the guitar. You play the guitar. You can see play को square box में add, square box है उसके ऊपर. इसका मतलब क्या है? Play is your main verb और play का tense कौन सा है? Simple present tense, right? और यहाँ पे कोई auxiliary verb आपको दिया नहीं है. Is, am, are, was, were कुछ भी नहीं दिया है. तो समझ जाने का this is simple present tense sentence. What is the subject? You. तो you के साथ हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं children? Do, right? Does यूज नहीं करते हम you के साथ. You के साथ do यूज करते हैं. You play the guitar. Positive sentence है. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन टैग क्या होना चाहिए? Negative, right? So you play the guitar, comma, don't you? Question mark. Second, Alison likes tennis. Alison is a girl. Likes, you can see the square box on likes because it is your main verb. And no helping verb is given. Auxiliary verb दिया नहीं है sentence में. Simple present tense speech है. Alison name है, तो with name we use does. And Alison likes tennis is a positive statement. Then our question tag will be negative. So our question tag is Alison likes tennis, comma, doesn't she? She use करेंगे हम लोग क्यों? It is a pronoun for Alison, right? Alison is a noun. So Alison के लिए हम लोग क्या use करेंगे pronoun? She. अगर boy होगा तो he. If the verb is in the simple past tense, अगर सेंटेंस में वर्ब सिंपल पास्ट में दिया होता है, हम लोगों ने पहले स्लाइड में देखा, अगर वर्ब सिंपल प्रेजेंट में होगा तो डू और डज यूज करेंगे. लेकिन अगर वर्ब सिंपल पास्ट में है, देन वी हैव टू यूज डिड. एग्जांपल, दे वेंट टू द सिनेमा. वेंट को रेक्टेंगल बॉक्स में डाला है. इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट इज मेन वर्ब एंड द टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब इज सिंपल पास्ट, राइट? So our question tag will be, and the sentence speech कौन सी है? They went to the cinema. It is a positive statement. Negative नहीं है. तो same rule follow करना है. अगर statement positive है, तो question tag क्या होगा? Negative. Our answer will be they went to the cinema, comma, didn't they और question mark. Did use करना है जब verb simple past में हो तो. Second example, she studied in New Zealand. She studied past tense है, in New Zealand positive statement है, तो हमारा question tag होगा she studied in New Zealand, comma, didn't she? Question mark. Next, when the statement contains a word with a negative meaning, the question tag needs to be positive. मतलब ये वही बता रहा है, अगर आपका स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव है तो क्वेश्चन टैग होगा नेगेटिव. अगर आपका स्टेटमेंट नेगेटिव है तो क्वेश्चन टैग होगा पॉजिटिव. देयर आर सम वर्ड्स लाइक हार्डली, एवर, रेयरली. ये वर्ड नेगेटिव मीनिंग बताते हैं. भले यहाँ पे नॉट, नेवर, नो ऐसे वर्ड यूज नहीं किए, बट this word also indicates negative meaning. So in that case, we have to use positive question tag. Example number 1. He hardly ever speaks. Hardly ever को rectangle box में fit किया, आप देख सकते हो. That is talking about negative meaning, right? So our question tag will be he hardly ever speaks, comma, does he. Second, हमने does he क्यों यूज किया? does he क्यों यूज किया? क्योंकि he लिखा है, थर्ड पर्सन है, इसलिए does. प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने एक्सप्लेन किया था ये. सेकेंड, they rarely eat in restaurants. rarely मतलब नेगेटिव वर्ड. they है तो हम they के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? do. So our question tag will be they rarely eat in restaurants, comma, do they? Now children, dear students, this is the summary of question tags. When negatives, you can see on your screen, when negative statements are given, we have to use positive question tag. Example number 1, he isn't a doctor. वो डॉक्टर नहीं है, कॉमा, तो क्वेश्चन टैग क्या होगा? इज ही. इजंट लिखा है मतलब स्टेटमेंट नेगेटिव है, तो अपना क्वेश्चन टैग पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. इज दिया है क्वेश्चन में, राइट? स्टेटमेंट में ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब दिया है, तो हमें ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब यूज करके ही क्वेश्चन टैग बनाना है. सेकेंड, दे आरंट रेडी. आंसर क्या होगा? दे आरंट रेडी, कॉमा, आर दे? क्वेश्चन मार्क. You shouldn't be so busy. Shouldn't लिखा है negative. So our answer will be you shouldn't be busy, comma, should you? Question mark. Nobody went to the meeting. Nobody मतलब negative word. So question tag will be nobody went to the meeting, comma, did they या did anybody? Question mark. दोनों आंसर सही है. Next. She hasn't done her work. नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट, हैज दिया है, तो क्वेश्चन टैग हम लोग हैज यूज करके ही बनाएंगे. She hasn't done her work, comma, has she? Question mark. Now we have to use negative question tags. हमें negative question tags कब यूज करना है? जब स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव हो. You can see on your screen, when statement is positive, question tag is negative. Example, you are a clerk. This is positive, R is given to you, so question tag will be aren't you and question mark. Second, he studies French. यहाँ पे auxiliary verb नहीं है, लेकिन studies मतलब simple present tense दिया है, और subject में क्या दिया आपको? he दिया है. he is your subject, so he के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे हम लोग? does, simple present tense. he studies French. So question tag will be doesn't he? Question mark. You should go now. Our question tag will be you should go now, comma, shouldn't you? Question mark. You will pass the exam. Positive statement है, so question tag will be you will pass the exam, comma, won't you? Question mark. Will का negative होता है won't. Remember this. will का विलेंट नहीं होगा, will का होगा won't. Last, you would like the dish. Positive statement. You would like the dish, comma, wouldn't you? So these are the rules that we have to keep in our mind to convert or to add question tags in our sentences. Thank you everyone.